OSCP, Offensive Security Certified Professional, the most respected hands-on hacking certification in the world. Not multiple choice, not theory, not a memory test. You get a network of machines, you have 24 hours and you have to hack them. No hints, just you and the machines. It's made by Offensive Security, the same people who built Kali Linux operating system. Before the exam, you go through the PWK course, penetration testing with Kali Linux, labs, real machines, real techniques, that's your training ground. The exam has 5 missions, a mix of Windows and Linux machines and a full Active Directory environment. Pass mark is 70 points out of 100. Some prepare for 6 months and still fail, not because they lack tools, because they never build the one thing the exam actually tests. The ability to think like an attacker when there is no one telling you what to do next. That's what OSCP is actually measuring. And that's what makes it different from every other cert out there. Is it worth it? Ask every hiring manager in cybersecurity. It's a cert that opens the doors, the one that proves you can actually do the job. If you want to know exactly how to prepare, the video is right here. There were two people. They are solving same machine, using same tools. One stuck for hours, but one gets in minutes. It isn't about skills, it's about every OSCP machine is a trap, designed by people who knows where you will stop. And it's precisely where they hide the answer. It's a game. They know your limits. They design around them. Every year, thousands of people fail OSCP. Skilled people, experienced people, people who know more than me. But I passed it as a fresher. With zero corporate experience,